Let's learn how to convert 21/32 of an inch to millimeters using dimensional analysis. We start with 21/32 of an inch. Let's visualize this on a ruler. To convert this to millimeters, we need to use the conversion factor that 1 inch equals exactly 25.4 millimeters. Let's use dimensional analysis to solve this. We'll multiply our fraction by the conversion factor, setting it up so the units of inches cancel out. First, let's divide 21 by 32 to convert our fraction to a decimal. Now, we can multiply this decimal by 25.4. Let's visualize this conversion. Here's the same length shown on a millimeter ruler. Therefore, 21/32 of an inch equals 16.66875 millimeters. For practical purposes, we can round this to 16.67 millimeters. This kind of conversion is commonly used in engineering and manufacturing, where precise measurements